Apple's much anticipated new iOS 13 is out now. One of our favorite updates is the addition of the Shortcuts app to the default suite of apps. Shortcuts makes complicated multi-step tasks seamless. And at Glitch, we love making things that help you with your everyday life. The magic sauce is in the step Get Contents of URL. To make things even easier, we pre-built a new Shortcuts collection filled with goodies that you can remix and customize for yourself. One app in our collection is the Background Maker. Background Maker uses your app on Glitch and your easy-to-install shortcut so that all you have to do is tell Siri to create a new background. She will ask you what custom text you'd like to add, and voila! You now have a randomly generated, cute background with custom text for your phone or other iOS devices. Remix this project on Glitch to customize the background images. Another shortcut we've created is Focus Tracker. Because productivity is important, Focus Tracker lets you set up a Do Not Disturb timer for 20 minutes and keep a diary of what you were concentrating on, thanks to the API on Glitch. Safety and privacy are important to us at Glitch, so you'll have to set up a private password in your ENV file and add it to your shortcut. Your ENV file is top secret and doesn't get duplicated over when people remix your projects. Make sure to remix your project to customize it to your needs. Once you get the hang of these starter shortcuts, make your own and share it with us on Twitter @Glitch. We can't wait to see what you make.